Alright guys, so as you guys may know, those are my taquitos. Anyways, I don't have much equipment for all these videos that I've been posting. Lately what I've been doing is I just pick up my phone and I start recording. Obviously most of the time I'm at work, but I just came out of work and I saw that my husband received this package already. He already opened it and part of it, and I think he's already using it or whatever. He couldn't wait. He's really antsy. When he gets the package, he's like, let's go pick it up. I need it right now. I need to open it. Like, I want it now. So Harry did that, and he didn't, you know, he didn't show me nothing like that. So I want to see mine. And basically all I use, like I said, for content creating, I literally have I have a camera that my husband bought me from I don't know where, but he bought it and I still have not used it. Yeah, I don't know how I don't know. I'm not really tech savvy, so I don't really know like how I would get the content from here into like maybe my laptop. And then I feel like editing on laptops are harder, even though people say that it's easy. I find it easier on my phone, so I just do it through my phone. But anyways, he's bought me this. I have not yet used it. I don't know if I ever will, but yeah, this right here, let's open it together. And right now, usually I don't use ring lights or anything like that, but since we already bought it and it's just there, like, why not use it, you know? I mean, I should do the same with the camera, but that's besides the point. All right, so let's see what this is. Okay, it's a magnetic neck phone mount. I do my own nails, and I've been wanting to post content. Maybe it won't, you know, be for everybody, but it is my channel and I want to put whatever I want to put on there. So sometimes I'll be talking, sometimes we'll be traveling, sometimes we'll just be chit-chatting in the car or when we're traveling or whatever. Sometimes it'll be tattoos while I still get them, and sometimes it'll be unboxing, and sometimes it'll be nails. So this would be great to be able to show the people, like whenever I go live or whatever, or like if I'm doing something but I can't physically hold my phone like that, and my ring light just does certain things, but this would be like overhead. Excited to use this. If you guys see future videos and you see me like looking down, like the camera looking down, this is what it is. All right, so yeah, so it just came with a couple of things. I don't really know how to put it together. My husband will have to show me, but oh, I guess that's all you do right there. Okay, these are the instructions. And these are the parts. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this off camera real quick. Is this how you do it? Ah, my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna have my husband's assistants, there you go, putting this contraption together. It's pretty good. Okay, so now that I opened it and everything, he's just gonna put it together, right?
Yeah.
So, see, all these little pieces that I don't know where they go.
It's easy. All you gotta do is see, as you can tell, it has a hole right here, and then it has this button right here. So this is just so you could do this. It's kind of weird because, yeah, there you go. See, that's all you do. That's all you do, and then
put it around your neck.
Put it around your neck. And I feel like you gotta be careful though, because you gotta know where you're aiming. And it seems like I don't know how to aim.
And now it's snapped.
See, look, there you go, see? There it is. That's it. And then you grab this right here. You turn it. You feel it. You're gonna feel it, right? And then bam. That's it. See, I have my phone already. It's already ready because I got 2 of these.
Oh yeah, I said you opened yours already.
Yeah, and I opened mine. Only thing,
Tell them.
this one right here. This I have a phone holder in my car, so this goes like in the middle, right? So I could, cause I DoorDash. Obviously, if you check out my channel, Joe Leva 818.
Like I've linked in my other video.
Yeah. Anyways, you put this right here. That's what I use this one for. But this one is the one that it comes with this. So in order for it to work, you have to have it. You have to put it like, see, on the bottom. This is the front of my phone, obviously, and this is the bottom, and you have to put it like right there. So in order for it to work, also you need to glue this on. That's why this one is glued on, because if you don't glue it on,
they suck.
It's gonna come. The magnet is too powerful. Oh
yeah, I showed it earlier.
That if you put it on and it's not glued on, it won't stay. This will come off. It will come off and it would stay. It's gonna stay here, and to take it off, it's gonna take you a minute.
So what are these little pieces for?
Anyways, that's how you do it, and then that's simple, that easy. And then if you want to take this off again, all you gotta do is twist it and it'll come off. And then this right here is for if you have like a GoPro or any other type of, you just put it on and you do the same thing. And then obviously, if you see these, that's where the GoPro or the camera goes in. And then you got your little handle here, your little this. And then you got a couple. You got this 3-1, and this is a 2. And then you got this for if you want to hang it in your neck. Also, different type of accessories. And then you get 2 of these too. All right. And yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. And to take it off, it's easy. Look, bam. Just the thing, it's kind of difficult. You gotta get the hang of it when you're trying to put it in, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be easy. So
and that's how you do it, guys. So if you guys want to see more videos like these of the things that we buy from, where'd you buy it from? TikTok shop. Yeah, let us know and what type of gear we use.
And anyways, this right here, I give it a 10, just so you know. It's a 10.
Yeah, and like you guys saw earlier, this thing, yeah, it's pretty magnetic. It gets stuck to the freaking, you guys saw with the knife. But anyway, see you guys on the next video. Bye.